Now, Justin, I have to say, this is quite a play on an old Southern favorite, the watermelon. Who doesn't love watermelon?
Everybody loves watermelon. And the cool thing about it, it takes it from that sweet treat that we all know to a really savory salad when you throw it on the grill and get a little grill marks on it.
Watermelon on the grill.
Watermelon on the grill. You can grill anything.
You wanted these quartered, right?
Let me see. Yeah. You're
right.
doing just right.
At about 2 inches thick each, and we have 8 pieces.
That's right.
What's next?
If you will get to slicing those yellow tomatoes there and maybe a few of those small jewel tomatoes.
Okay. Great.
I'm going to throw these on the grill and then I'm going to make the dressing.
Okay, great. Now, about how long do you keep the watermelon pieces on the grill?
It depends on how hot your grill is. Mine has been preheating here for a good long while. I would say the surface of it is probably around 750 degrees. So it's good and hot, and it's going to mark it fairly quickly.
So you want to watch them.
You can't really burn them, but yes, you don't. If you overcook them, you're going to end up with a mushy melon.
I was going to say mush.
And nobody likes a mushy melon.
Then you flip them because you have that beautiful sort of marking.
Well, I just turn them a quarter turn. I don't flip them to the other side. If you flip them to the other side, you've got that heat going all the way through.
I see. You will get the mushy melon.
You will get the mushy melon. So for the dressing, we're going to use this lime, the juice, and the zest of 1 lime. So great flavor.
This has to be one of the most favorite recipes in your cookbook.
It really is.
Particularly for this time of year.
Yes, tomatoes and watermelon, it's summer.
So lime juice, honey, about how much honey was it?
2 tablespoons and 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Okay.
Depending on how much heat you like, this is cayenne pepper. I'm just gonna give us just a little kick.
Yeah, about 1/8 of a teaspoon.
About 1/8 of a teaspoon. Then we want to zest this lime here.
I love zest.
I do too.
I've got these sliced. Is that about enough, you think?
I think we're ready to rock.
Okay.
I'm gonna hand this to you.
All right.
And just to emulsify the dressing, I want you to shake that up.
All right. So Justin, what do we have here? Enough dressing for the 8 pieces?
That's right. It'll serve 4 as a light main dish in the summer, or if it's a first course, it'll serve 8.
Look at those, beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. I can see how you just cooked them on one side, but you gave them a quarter turn to give that nice marking.
Presentation is everything.
Beautiful, got it. Okay, here we go. Close that down.
And there it is.
Perfect. Okay.
If you'll hand me 2 of those big yellow sliced tomatoes.
Right, okay. Here we go.
I like to put those right down on the plate just like that.
That.
And then we'll just put that right there.
Okay.
If you'll hand me that ancho chili powder.
Okay, here we go.
This is,
I wondered what you were going to do with that.
we go just right over the top with it, and then we're gonna go with a little bit of this goat cheese. I just like
Just
to
on the
do
top.
just a little dollop.
Touch.
There we go.
Okay.
Now, Alan, if you will give it a few of those tomatoes.
Right, I sliced a few of these little grape tomatoes.
Just right around the plate, maybe a few on top of it. And then you shook this dressing up for us. If you will pour it on there, I'm gonna get just a few sprigs of cilantro.
Okay. Now, you just want it drizzled over the top?
Just drizzle it over the top.
Okay.
Just get crazy with it.
All right.
That's perfect.
It's pretty good.
And we'll go just a few sprigs of cilantro.
Well, I've had a tomato and watermelon salad before, but never grilled and presented like this.
Well, we try and keep it fresh.
Marvelous. Thank you so much.
Thank you.